the best thing that you can do, or that I would do, I would say, when you're doing high cover counts, is to think about saving touches. So what do I mean? Think about a dish of, so this is our plate. And on that plate, you're going to put a langoustine, a piece of grilled cabbage, a Parmesan tuile, and then inside of an ISI canister, there's a shellfish foam. So when I'm going around and plating, langoustine is 1, cabbage is 2, Parmesan tuile is 3, shellfish foam is 4. That's 4 touches. There's a better dish to do this with, but I'm gonna stick with it because I don't want to confuse anybody. So, and maybe let's say there's like some tarragon leaves that we're also doing on top of this whole thing. So that's, each one of those tarragon leaves is another touch, right? Because if I only told you there was 1 tarragon leaf, you could plate 60 plates faster than if I tell you have to do 3 touches. Make sense? And so anytime you can either what's called like stack your touches. And so what this might look like, and you might see this sometimes, is you put the tarragon leaves on the cabbage before it gets to the pass, right? Or you will pre-sauce things, put them in the oven, and then pull them out, and then you can just put them on the plate and they can go, versus having to like put it on the plate, turn around, grab your pot, make sure the sauce is seasoned, and then go ahead and, do you know what I mean? And so every single time that you can save a touch across, like, just do the math. Like, if it takes 2.5 seconds to move something from one plate to the next, or to kind of like sauce something perfectly or whatever, multiply that across 120 plates in a night, and that's how many, minutes you'll save yourself during service. And so that tends to really, really help, is cutting down on the number of touches that you're making, or at least that always really helped me.